In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to slow down a video in Canva. If you've ever imported a clip into Canva and felt like it was just a bit too fast, maybe for a tutorial, a product demo, or a subtle background clip, slowing it down is a really simple way to make it easier to follow and more visually pleasing. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you know exactly where to click and what each option does. First, make sure you already have your video added to your Canva design. This could be a video you uploaded yourself or a stock video from Canva's built-in library. Once the video is on your canvas, click directly on the video so it's selected. You'll know it's selected when you see a colored outline and the editing toolbar appears either above the canvas or at the top of the screen. In that toolbar, look for the option labeled Speed. On some layouts, it might appear as a small speedometer style icon or simply as the word Speed. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you control how fast or slow your video plays. When you open the speed controls, you'll usually see a slider as well as a numerical value like 1x, 0.5x, or 2x. The 1x value means your video is playing at its original speed. To slow it down, you'll drag the slider to the left or choose a value lower than 1x, such as 0.75x or 0.5x. The smaller the number, the slower your video will play. As you adjust the speed, Canva will automatically update the duration of that video clip on your timeline. A slower speed means the clip will last longer, so be sure to check that it still fits with the rest of your design, especially if you're syncing it with text, music, or voiceover. You can press play in the preview area to watch the video at the new speed and see if it feels smooth and natural. If the video looks too slow or feels choppy, simply click on the speed control again and nudge the slider slightly back toward 1x until it feels right. You can experiment a bit here. Small adjustments often make a big difference. Once you're happy with the slowed down speed, you're done. Your changes are saved in the design and you can move on to exporting or continue editing the rest of your project.